G'day ladies and gents, another day in the yard. Last night I got a bit busy. I got a message yesterday about some bees that had swarmed. So last night, this was a bee hotel yesterday, Arvo, but what I've done is took it all apart, took out the divider centres, and I had to get a couple more bits of wood for the back. Well, be the front, I suppose, really. So this is it. Now what I've also done is I've got a lot of tubs of wild honey inside that I got from out bush a long time ago. So this is the sort of thing that I bait my traps with. Now this is good because it's very dark honey. As you can see, it's a very dark, rich honey. It's really nice stuff. So I'm just going to bait out along the front. That way the bees get a bit of a smell and a bit of a taste outside. Smooth that a little bit. Put some in the door. Give it a rub. Now I've put a couple of little chunks of honeycomb and probably 2 teaspoons, maybe not even, maybe 1 teaspoon of honey on the inside of this. And the honeycomb I only put in about 2 50-cent size pieces, and just stuck those high up in the swarm trap. Now with this one, I always mark out where the holes are, so if people want to check on it or see how they are, they can do so, and it makes it easier when transferring them from the swarm trap into a hive. Yeah, not the neatest on the bottom. It was a quick get together, and I've just cut up all my wood for the bee hotels, so I didn't have much else laying around. So it's a quick knock together, but it'll work beautifully. As we can see over here, look at all these beautiful flowers, but there is something missing. On a day like this, you should be able to see heaps of little bees buzzing all around. And unfortunately, I cannot see a one. No? Oh yes, sorry. There's one up in the back there. Stream now, there's one. So, well, he was. He's getting around the back of that flower now. But yeah, normally this tree would just be covered in bees at the moment. It's a sad thing to see, but with people seeing swarms around town, it is getting better, and hopefully we'll get a couple more hives around the place and we can get in and get some more pollinators up this way. I do see some bee mimic flies out today, quite a few, which is usually the case here. unfortunately one bee. Not good, but it will get better. It will get better, that's the thing. Alright ladies and gents, have a good day, and I shall catch you later. See ya.